A major immigration crackdown is unfolding in 2025, and it's directly targeting 5 Asian countries. From student visas and work permits to family reunifications, entire programs are now suspended. Who's affected and why? Let's break down what this means for thousands of hopeful immigrants. Welcome to USA Alert Zone, your trusted source for real-time U.S. immigration news and policy breakdowns. Let's dive into today's urgent update. 1. Bangladesh. Visa overstays trigger full ban. Why Bangladesh is targeted? The U.S. government has raised concerns over widespread visa overstays by Bangladeshi nationals, particularly students and temporary workers. Many enter legally but fail to exit on time, contributing to a rise in undocumented populations. Deportation complications. Even when deportation orders are issued, Bangladesh often delays accepting its citizens back. This results in enforcement gridlocks and detention center backlogs. 2025 policy response. The Trump administration is moving to suspend all major U.S. visas for Bangladeshi citizens, student, work, tourist, and even family-based categories. 2. Myanmar. Civil unrest ends immigration access. The security risk. Since Myanmar's 2021 coup, the country has descended into political instability and civil war. The absence of reliable government systems has made background checks nearly impossible. Why it matters? U.S. immigration officials cannot verify identities or screen for national security threats. Refugees often arrive without valid documents, further complicating screening. Resulting action. The U.S. has halted all immigration processing for Myanmar in 2025, including refugee resettlement and family petitions. 3. Malaysia. Overstays and deportation refusals. Rising violations. Like Bangladesh, Malaysia faces rising cases of visa overstays and unauthorized employment. Deportation cooperation from the Malaysian government has reportedly been slow or ineffective. Policy decision. Due to perceived non-cooperation, all major visa categories are now suspended for Malaysian nationals. This includes students, workers, tourists, and family-based immigrants, even those with valid ties to the U.S. 4. China. Espionage and academic visa crackdown. The long-brewing tensions. U.S. intelligence officials have long suspected misuse of student and research visas by Chinese nationals to obtain sensitive data. Areas of concern include AI, defense, and cutting-edge tech. Intellectual property theft allegations. American businesses have reported widespread IP theft, allegedly backed by Chinese state actors. Policy shift in 2025. Chinese students, especially those in STEM fields, now face student visa bans and strict vetting. Academic partnerships and research programs are heavily impacted. 5. India. H1B visa abuse and student visa fraud. What changed? Once a trusted U.S. partner, India is now under scrutiny for H1B visa misuse, mass hiring at low wages to replace U.S. workers, fraudulent student visa applications involving fake documentation, increasing visa overstays. Impact of the 2025 policy. The U.S. is pausing or restricting H1B visas, student visas, and some family categories for Indian nationals. This affects tech workers, scholars, and families alike. Final thoughts. Crackdown or collective punishment. This sweeping policy marks one of the most aggressive immigration restrictions in years. Whether you see it as a necessary enforcement strategy or unfair targeting, there's no denying the real-life impact. Job offers lost, scholarships revoked, families separated, students left in limbo. If you're from any of the affected countries or planning to apply for a U.S. visa soon, now is the time to stay informed and act cautiously. Like this video if you found it helpful. Subscribe to USA Alert Zone for urgent immigration alerts. Drop your questions in the comments. We read every one. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.